Shout out to Gary, GBL, the old church 5-acre homestead. We were just over there and we were close by Gary, so we met up at the Gander Airport. I'll throw in some pictures here. Had a great chat, and Gary's got a great channel, the 5-acre homestead, GBL. So go check his channel out. Great guy, great family. They're doing big things with an old church there and a barn, animals, and so on. So shout out to Gary. Normally it took an hour to get to our property where we're staying with friends and family. So we needed some means to stay on the property, and this is what we came out with. We got a smoking deal on this trailer, and we'll show you here how we set it up. Whoa! Better.
Yeah, you're good.
Yeah.
You're close though. Okay, now start cutting the other way, yeah. But you should move it. You will. Keep cutting. Keep cutting. Wait one. Keep cutting. Keep cutting. And you get it back after. You're good. You're good. Okay, yeah. Straighten her up now. Straighten her up. Hey. Come on. Okay, go some more. Yeah. Let's go straight down now.
Trying to position the trailer, but in the meantime, look at that beautiful mast behind. Yep, sailboat coming in. It was actually anchored off. I believe they're leaving now. Not sure what's happening here. All these vehicles. But I think I'll stand over here in a safe space. Boy, oh, there's the sailboat. coming around the corner. Very nice. Oh, and the white minivan with the canoe. Okay. Holy cow, look how massive. I think that's the biggest sailboat I've seen. Making a pathway here with the minivan so that Sean can position the truck and the trailer a little bit better.
Yeah, look, come here, look. This is not, you're not nothing here to hurt your truck. Yeah, I think she was no board. She's too low, that's all right. Like, there was like a pile of gravel that he dug out of or something, like rock, shale. Big rock there, that's all. There's nothing here. You go right there around the road or whatever, right? Or you go up through there, look. You can keep going. You can go up through there too. Well, there's a big pile of... Doesn't matter. See where they dumped the big... You can get over it, but I can't. Looks like they had a big load of shale come there and they scooped out and they left some of it there, look. But here it's perfect, look. You can go over there or you can go up through there. Side. Yeah, you can jackknife her hard. Hard you can. Get away.
Oh.
Out away.
Geez, that's almost perfect.
Huh?
It's almost perfect. Just exactly where he was before. Yeah, there. There. Oh, too much. Well, when he pulled ahead, it sort of tilted it a bit. So just if he could just
so,
back up just a bit.
Can you go ahead, like, and then we'll lay out the plastic and you can back up on it?
Okay, we have plastic down. We're going to put the trailer on the plastic, and it'll keep the trailer warmer when the cold starts to come out up from the ground, which is cool. And yeah, and then they're gonna also put blocks on there. There we go.
Whoa! Whoa!
Add this to the list of things I wouldn't want to do as a girl. As this girl. These fellas seem to really like this. I'm sure there's some young ladies out there, who'd like it too, but not for me. Next year might be a different story, but right now this is good.
Good, you're good, you're good, you're good. Go more. More.
You're into the bushes.
Whoa, just stop there now. Stop, whoa.
Just wait, don't move. good, Brian. Brian, I thought it was good. Well, we're gonna have to readjust the plastic after anyway.
Fuck off, wind. How's that?
You have to decide.
What?
I think it's fine. I think it was fine before, but it's...
I think we're good there, Sean.
Oh, so baby, what do you think? Hard day?
Hard day. I don't know if I can work tomorrow.
3 days. This is our third day from home, and we made it here. That took a day. And then we looked around for a trailer to buy, and that took another day. And then we're today here to get it here and all set up. So I think we're doing pretty good. I think that's pretty good. 3 days into it, and we got a trailer bought and paid for and set up. So, and you probably already seen it, but I'm just going to show you again here. So it's not looking too bad. She's not a gem of of any sorts. She's old, 04. Cheap. And this old deck was up on the house up there. So yeah, we got lots of junk here, garbage to clean up. I blew the guts out of the weed trimmer that I just did a review on, but what happened is this overheated from the grass wrapping around the head, and things got too hot and this melted out. So that was my own fault. So I gotta watch that. Just running it too much with the lawn grass and heated up. So anyways, yeah, and then we got our bus. We're gonna paint our bus paint it all nice and white, make it look pretty, and then it won't look so bad. Bit of an eyesore right now, but it's good storage, cheap, fast, and easy storage. That's why we picked it up. So yeah, we're gonna give her a paint job, just brush job. And there's our canoe, our neighbors. We haven't met any of them yet, and the ocean. And yeah, wow, it's just gorgeous here today. Grass too high. Everything's too high. Everything's too high. We got to get all this cut down, and we're probably gonna rip the porch off the old house or old cabin there and get the skirting done. We got lots of work to do. So as I said, this was a deck on the front up there, so yeah, it works perfect for a trailer. So I think we got a decent setup here. Anyways, we're happy with it. So Holly's doing a bit of cleaning up, and things are everywhere right now. But yeah, this thing's been gutted out. It's got a new floor in it. Did some work on the wall over there. They did. So like I said, it's not far from new, but the price was right. It was really cheap. So we can come down. We're not going to stay tonight, but we can come down now, and we're not going to stay tonight, but we can come down anytime and stay. We will. We're here for a couple weeks probably, so we'll get a few nights there for sure. Anyway, we're going for a ride on our scooters now, just to relax for the rest of the evening and probably visit a friend. So anyways, later.